Welcome. In this video, this is just to show you how to define user access, user permission. So to get started, you just need to um, click on the burger menu and then you locate settings. In the settings, you would see group permissions. In the group permissions, it shows all the active group name and their description. For instance, we have the owner, the admin, customers, suppliers. These are more like predefined and you can always add. So now you can add a new role. So let's assume now we are adding maybe cashier. And whenever you are creating the user, you would set them to this role. So anything you want cashier to do in the system, they will be able to. Now this is cashier now. Under product, this is the module name, the product module. You can see. Do you want cashier to be able to view all the products, to add products, to edit or delete products? And then these are other things under products. These are different permission. So they can do all either of these or this. So anyone you tick, the cashier will be able to. So if I tick this now, products to be able to view, sales to be able to view. Maybe I do not want cashier to see any of this, customer to be able to view. Whatever you define, you will see. I will log in as a cashier now, and you will be able to see what. Let me just keep it simple because I want you to see what a cashier can do. And then I say save. Let me just refresh. I will be able to, you will now see the cashier role, and this is the cashier. So if I already have user in the system and I want to set them to the cashier, I'll just come into user management. If I do not have user in the system or I need to add, I'll you can watch the video on how to add a new user, or simply head over to where you have the users and you can then edit a particular user. So I want to edit this Oyenike, for instance. I will click on the pencil icon and I want to change the group from sales to cashier. So this is cashier now. Let me just set the password. Okay, I think I know the password for this user. This user login will expire. Let me pick a particular date, let's say 17, and save the change. Save changes. So I will log out now. Let me just be on the dashboard. I will log out and then log in as this user. So I'll pick yes to log out. Now I'm logging in as this user. I'll click on login. So I'm now in. This is Oyenike now, logging in. You can see, although I said you should be able to see all records, so that's why you can see all records. Now let's go to the menu. You can see the few things that Oyenike can do. In product, she's only viewing. In sales, she's only viewing. If I click manage product now, she will not be able to do anything other than to just view. The customers, she's only be able to view. So this is user and group settings. Thank you for watching.